Alright, pull up at my local neighborhood store, men's closet. Grab these bricks. You know, it's Saturday. Reimagine threes on feet. Let's go. What's going on? See, they got them right here at the front of the counter. And I had the Air Max event the other day. You see. Alright, brick secured. No, they told me that. So I guess it is a defect. And Nike taking back pairs or whatnot, so it's not too much out there. Something on the toe box or whatnot. But I literally got the last 9, they said, well, on one they had back there. And they opened it up and checked it out and made sure it was solid for me before I went ahead and made the purchase. We're gonna take a look real quick and see what's up. See, size 9. Jordan 1 retro loop. Obsidian. Let me see them. Alright. Perfect. Clean. It's on the extra lace. Yeah, it says something with the front of them, the toe box or whatever. So I guess the rumor was true, because I did hear something about that like the other day. Somebody made a video saying something about it, but I'm all good. I got a little, is that a little scratch or something right there? On the side, but we all good. I ain't tripping. Yeah, because it was like, nah, they ain't gonna do no returns or whatnot. So, but I'm all good. All right. Another brick collected. Let's go.